Good day, New York, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing two streets, guys, but separately. This one's going to be called MacDougal Way, which is only one street, guys. It's only one street long. And now, before I go, let me show you where I am. So back there is 8th Street, west, east. This is MacDougal Street. This is MacDougal Street right here, and this one is MacDougal Way. So before we start on our journey, let me show you where I am right now. This is MacDougal, corner to corner. One's a street, the other one is a way. Again, I didn't get to see this until now. I didn't notice there was one here before. Now you see, so this is MacDougal Street and MacDougal Way. So now let's wait for the van to go in before we go. And we begin now. Again, guys, this is MacDougal Way, guys. This is MacDougal Way. Again, this is like a private street, guys. So you know, I just got permission to get in, but this is one of the streets that's in here. And again, I just found this about no more than, you know, maybe a couple of days ago through Google. Empire CLS. And you know what? I thought that this street, guys, will connect with the other street, but no. I think there's another street that connects back there. But this one has a dead end back here.
I think it's your stuff. I don't know.
So again, guys, this is a very a short oh, okay. See? This is MacDougal Way. Again, this is kind of hidden. I just found it in Google Maps. So now we go this way. And we go this way. Yeah, we just bump into this van here. And again, I thought this street merged with the other one back there, but no, it's an alley. It's a dead end. Just so you can see how the streets of New York have evolved. You can see we got a tree here, Mr. Sun. Okay. And again, yeah, this is really nice, man. Check it out. MacDougal Way. It's a dead end. Again, guys, this video is not gonna be big because again, it's not, you know, it's only one block long, but that's it. But it's closed. It's a dead end. Okay, guys, so you know, it was a small view, but you know, hey. Okay, so now again, guys, thanks for watching the video. We're gonna finish it right here. And again, this was MacDougal Way. I'm sorry, MacDougal Alley. Sorry, my bad. MacDougal Alley. Thanks for watching. Bye.